Here I've got OnePlus Nord, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the list of all apps, go to the settings then. Now click on customization and click on wallpapers. Tap on allow to have access to all the wallpapers, and you can either pick something from your own photos shot on OnePlus or one from default wallpapers. So here you've got all of them. They are truly outstanding. I guess it's Arizona right here. From the upper perspective, I will pick for example this one. Then you can also change it for your lock screen. Okay, here we've got live wallpaper, so maybe this one. So I would like to have it this way. Tap on confirmation mark then, and as you can see from now on, your device is covered with those pictures, both home screen and also lock screen. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.